Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we disable do not disturb in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to disable your do not disturb mode setting. So how can you disable it in this video friends? I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So then first of all we will turn on our phone setting to disable do not disturb. Then guys crop it. Friends, you can see sound and vibration setting in your Infinix phone. So guys click here and again scroll. Friends, you can see do not disturb mode setting in Infinix mobile. Click here. So last one setting guys, you can see your do not disturb. So once you want to disable and guys you want to remove this icon on your screen, so you can remove from here. Tap here. Then guys, this icon will remove. Do not disturb mode will disable. You can use your alarm and media volume without any problem guys. So like that guys, you can disable your do not disturb in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video fan. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video. Bye bye friends.